Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony, and I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates, but it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. Let's make an old-fashioned cornmeal pone. Cornmeal pone is similar to the cornmeal pudding. The only difference is the pone is tighter. Normally in the pudding you'll have a lot of fruits and stuff, but in the pone you don't normally put fruits. The only thing you'll add is a grated coconut. But today I'll be making a pone and I'll be adding some fruits. I have here 3 cups of fine cornmeal, then a cup and a half of dark sugar. I'm going to use a cup of breadcrumbs, 1/3 of a cup of flour. Here we have some vanilla, and in the next tub we have some almond, hazelnut and some other flavorings. Over here we have a tablespoon of nutmeg, same for cinnamon, and a half of a teaspoon of mixed spice. We need a cup of water, a tin of coconut milk, some evaporated milk, and also we'll need some butter. Here we have some dried coconut, grated desiccated coconut it's called, and we have our melon skin. Remember we did the melon skin fruits along with some soaked raisin and our chocha preserve. Right here we have some cherries and also a tutti frutti mix that we made. Now the first thing we're going to do, we start off by making our liquid to start the butter. We're having a cup of water, then we add our sugar. Then we add our coconut milk. And to this, we add our flavorings, our vanilla, and then we're going to add some butter. And we're going to take this to the stove and allow it to get warm. I don't want it to boil, I want it to get hot but not boiling. Now we're going to sieve everything together, our dry ingredients, our cornmeal, then our flour, adding the flour, and now it's time for the breadcrumbs. Then our nutmeg, cinnamon and mixed spice. And we're going to blend everything together. To this we add the dry coconut. Just 1/3 of a cup, and we're going to blend it. You don't want more than that. And as I said, for the breadcrumbs, it's because cornmeal tends to get a bit dry. I'm adding the dried fruits first. Now I'm going to remove a portion of this for basting the pudding. Now it's time to add 1/2 tin of the evaporated milk. We don't add it to the one for basting, but we add it for the pudding itself. 1/2 tin, and allow it to get very hot. Now it's time to add my fruits. I'm adding it to the liquid. It's the wet fruits, that is. Adding my cornmeal mixture, you have to be very careful because it will get lumpy, and you have to mix a little at a time so that it doesn't start getting lumpy. Now that we have all mixed everything together, I don't see any lump. I'm going to take it back over to the stove and allow it to cook some more. So we have to keep turning it so that it doesn't stick, but at the same time it's cooking. So it's going to take a little while. You have to stand over it. Now this is actually 4 minutes in, and I'm just giving it another minute, and then it will be good to put in the pan for baking. Here I have a greased pan, and I'm going to put as much as it can hold, because when it's baking it's going to swell, so we have to leave space for swelling, yeah? $150 for 1 hour. Now half an hour in, I realized that it was drying out, so I had to turn down the oven and get ready to start basting. After 3 basting and an hour and a half, the pudding is finished. Now here we have it, our old-fashioned cornmeal pone. And you may notice that it's a bit darker than normal cornmeal pudding. And that's because in those days my parents used to make it with brown sugar. And then I've added fruits to mine, and there were some dark fruits, and it changed the color. But if you use white sugar and no fruits, you'll get that yellow looking color. This pone was sweet, fruity, and very delicious. If you're a lover of cornmeal pudding, then you love this cornmeal pone. It was not dry at all. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.